Good morning, Saturday morning, January 12th, Mark's Crypto Corner News. Here we are, unscripted and unlive. Live right now until you watch it. It won't be. And here we are. Let's start. Genesis Trading doubles OTC volume. Bittrex moves 130,000 BTC. Exciting. Over-the-counter volume. Let's see. Okay, over-the-counter crypto platform Genesis Global Trading has increased its annual trading volume by 50%, and we've got the details in this edition of the Daily. Okay, well, those are the details. They increased their volume by 50% into trading. We also feature an announcement by Bittrex, which sought to calm traders who spotted the 130,000 volume being moved, and the launch of an offers bot by point-to-point exchange HODL. An offers bot? I don't know if I want to get involved with bots. I like to have a little bit of control. So let's see. This guy looks a bit shifty, right? Ethereum Classic Vision confirmed as scam. Oh yeah. Let's see. The Ethereum Classic Vision has been confirmed as a scam after one victim confirmed the loss of 131 Ethereum on Reddit, while both of their websites, this and that, have also been deactivated. Previously, the Garda wallet team reported their suspicion to the ETCB project that claimed to be the first fork on the Ethereum network scheduled to happen. Okay, just stick with what you know for now. That's my take on it. You really need to do your research before you start buying into little things. Okay, the Tangle Bay. Week 1 update. What is that? Discover people and places accepting IOTA. Last week I published an article, not me, somebody, this guy, about the launch of a new platform called the Tangle Bay. To my surprise, the IOTA community reacted very positive on the project, including the IOTA co-founder Dominic Shainer, along with others from the community. I think they should have put the word "with" there, from the community. In this post, I will try to explain how the platform works. Well, it's a trading platform, I guess. It's not that interesting. Next, there we go, Lego boy. He's a little bit of a crypto miner. It's cool. Mongolia's cheap electricity draws Japanese Bitcoin miners. They got cheap electricity. I should move to Mongolia. I'm not sure how life would be. Probably live like a king if you got cheap electricity. A combination of cheap electricity and cold weather has started to draw a growing number of Japanese Bitcoin miners to Mongolia. Yeah, you could heat your mining facilities with your computer miners. Let's see. A country sandwiched between China to the south and Russia to the north. Amid falling mining revenues in other regions of the world due to current crypto bear market, companies have set their sights on Mongolia, where electricity is cheap, and so on and so forth. I'm just summarizing what I think will be the end here. As you probably know, you might have watched one or two of these before, so that's a little cool, dude. And I got something to say about Lego. Not negative either, it's positive. Lego's cool stuff. Okay, next. A quantum threat. Ooh. IBM has just come out with the world's very first commercially available quantum computer known as the Q System 1. For those of you who aren't familiar, quantum computers think a bit differently than the PCs and smartphones we have now and are much better at solving complex mathematical problems. That could put a whole new spin on blockchain. That's for sure. If quantum computers is here, that's something you could probably, with this information, I think we're going to see quantum blockchains, quantum coins of some sort, quantum's networks, lightning fast networks. There is a lightning network for processing Bitcoin right now. It's pretty new, but this quantum thing looks like it could make a major impact on the crypto ecosystem for everybody, hopefully in a good way. We'll have to keep an eye on that, a quantum threat, hey? So what is Mr. Japan doing here? Japan approves 17th cryptocurrency exchange. It's first in over a year. Yes, because they've been going through regulations and saying you can't join, but you over there, you can join. You've crossed all your T's and dotted all your I's and other things. It has been over a year since Japan's Financial Service Agency has approved a cryptocurrency exchange to legally operate in the country. CoinCheck, which was hacked early last year, has become the 17th fully registered crypto exchange in the country. The exchange has made numerous improvements after it was acquired by Monex Group. Monex, they're pretty popular here in Canada. I see Monex, something to do with the bank. I don't know if they have any ties with TD Canada Trust, but I've seen the Monex Group before. They do a lot of point of sale stuff, I think, as well. So that could be an interesting development. Okay. Here's another article on Mongolia. What is this? People live in there? Are they like mining tents? Mongolia will see at least 1,000 new Bitcoin miners. Participants in Mongolia's Bitcoin mining industry plan to significantly expand the scope of their operations, local media reported January 11th. That would have been yesterday. Japan's Jinko doubles down on Mongolia, the East Asian country, known for its cheap electricity and being home to the world's northernmost desert. We'll see one of its miners almost treble in size this year. Treble? I think maybe triple is the word. Treble in size. That's a strange syntax error. I'm all about the bass, no treble. Right? Funny. It's funny when you read a lot, you notice things like that. Okay, so that's some fun lighting there. Look at some of the next generation mining rigs available today. Look at all these mining rigs. I wonder if it's hot in there. Heavily ventilated. Looks like a nice clean room. Over the last year, cryptocurrencies have lost a lot of value, yet Bitcoin miners continue to process transactions and earn block rewards. A bunch of new mining rigs were announced in 2018 that packed some serious hash rate. As the new year begins, some of the top devices that process between 28 to 76 trillion hashes per second. Wow, they can handle a lot of transactions. I just wonder if the investment is worth the money, the return on investment. I don't think I would want to get into the mining side of things. So next, what have we got? Bitcoin price analysis. Okay, is this another somebody's opinion? Strong impulses test macro support levels. All right. Finally, after about a week or so of a tight range bound market, Bitcoin poked right through support. Yes. The swift move dropped the price nearly 10% in the span of just a few short hours. A couple $100 or so. Figure 1 BTC to USD hourly candles, 11% drop. Not only did this move occur on high spread, it occurred on high volume. Well, it's volatile, and that's why one of the reasons why Bitcoin is so popular, because you can make those trades off the signals that we get. Up 10%, sell, wait till it drops 10%, buy. It's all good. Okay, crypto conference industry remains in bull market. Does that mean there's not a lot of people showing up? Or it's a bull market and everybody's showing up to talk about it? Okay, more often than not, the first thing to be cut out of the budget is marketing. When the going gets tough and the coffers start emptying, the first head on the chopping block is usually the marketing intern, followed by the PR and event organization. Uh-huh. The industry's certainly seen a few layoffs. Yes, I heard Russia let go a lot of mining stuff. It's not very profitable when you put all that money into it. We'll leave that for the mining professionals. And on that note, that is Mark's Crypto Corner. I like this guy. For today, January 12th, 2019. And to get some super cool information on compounding and leveraging your Bitcoin, creating some retirement funds for yourself, joining a group and a team of lots of great people with support, you put your email address there. Press this button. Get the information. Watch the videos. You're going to see some of Robert Kiyosaki's and Warren Buffett's wealth principles in action through these videos, and you're going to wonder why the hell you didn't do this earlier. Okay? It's not about the Bitcoin price. Price is irrelevant. It's using the markets up and downs to make your gains. Okay? So do that. You won't be disappointed. And why not click one of these buttons while you're here? All right. I love you. Peace out. I'll see you next Saturday on another edition of Crypto Corner News. Peace out, brothers and sisters.